So with the hurricane and all this rain we've had, this is the first time I've had a lot of water back up in the basement. And I guess the check valve on the sump pump failed and was blocking the outlet, and the water backed up. It used to have just one of those cheap flexible kit things. So I decided to put a piece of flat bluestone down there and add a new pump along with the original pump, tie them together, and put it outside properly, so this problem won't happen again. So we've got 2 dehumidifiers going right now. Carpet's starting to dry out, still feels a little damp, but it was soaked when I got home a couple days ago. So it's a finished basement, obviously, so I don't want to ruin things anymore. Anyways, just figured I'd do a video on that, and maybe somebody can copy it or do the same thing if they had water problems. Anyways, that's it.